Alright, you guys check it out, we're about to get lit. With knowledge. Okay, I know that sounded super lame, but seriously, we're talking about cocktails. And not just any cocktails, we're diving into those legendary drinks, the ones you order at the bar to impress your date. But get this. They were totally invented by accident. Like, can you imagine? Spilling some stuff, mixing it up, and boom, you've created a drink everyone loves. We're gonna go through 5 of these accidental masterpieces. Get ready to be thirsty. Some of the world's greatest cocktails weren't crafted, they were accidents. Let's dive into 5 legendary cocktails that owe their existence to a twist of fate. First up, we're heading to Milan, Italy. Picture this, a busy bar, a stressed bartender, you know the vibes. This guy's making a Negroni, classic cocktail, right? Gin, Campari, vermouth, all that jazz. But then, and this is where it gets good, he grabs the Prosecco instead of the gin. Maybe he was distracted, maybe he was just feeling bubbly, who knows? But let me tell you, that mistake was legendary. He takes a sip, probably thinking he messed up big time, and then bam, it hits him. This isn't just a Negroni, it's something new, something fresh, something Sbagliato. That's Italian for mistaken, by the way. And just like that, the Negroni Sbagliato was born, the accidental hero of the cocktail world. You gotta try this one, especially if you're into like celebrations and good times. Next up is a drink that basically screams vacation, the Piña Colada. We're talking sunshine in a glass, a tropical escape, all thanks to a little blender blunder. The story goes that this bartender in Puerto Rico is just chilling, making drinks, when suddenly the blender starts acting up. I'm talking like full-on malfunction. He's probably freaking out, right? But then, he looks at what's in the blender. Pineapple, rum, coconut cream, and decides to taste it. And you know what? It's amazing. This happy accident became a global sensation. So next time you're sipping on a Piña Colada, remember that blender that couldn't. Chapter 3. The mysterious Margarita. Now we're getting into some serious cocktail controversy with the Margarita. Everyone and their abuela claims to have invented this one. But my favorite story involves, you guessed it, a happy accident. Imagine this. The 1940s Mexico, maybe a little dusty saloon. A bartender is just messing around, you know, trying to use up some leftover tequila, lime, and Cointreau. He shakes it up, takes a sip, and bam, the Margarita is born. At least that's how the story goes. Honestly, we may never know the true origins of the Margarita, but one thing's for sure. This accidental invention is a straight-up legend. It's like the Beyoncé of cocktails. Chapter 4. Mai Tai, the out-of-this-world accident. Let's jet set over to sunny California for this one, where tiki culture was just starting to boom. The year is 1944, and a guy named Trader Vic is slinging drinks at his restaurant. He whips up a new concoction, rum, lime, orgeat syrup, curacao, and hands it to a friend. Now this friend takes a sip, and get this, yells out in Tahitian, Mai Tai Roa E, which basically means, out of this world. And just like that, the Mai Tai was born. Talk about a happy accident, right? This drink became a tiki bar staple, all thanks to one enthusiastic friend and a delicious mistake. Chapter 5. The Moscow Mule from necessity to icon. Last but not least, we've got a classic that proves sometimes necessity really is the mother of invention, the Moscow Mule. This story starts in the 1940s Hollywood, where a bar owner found himself with way too much vodka and ginger beer on hand. I'm talking like a storage room overflowing. He's probably freaking out, right? But then, he has a light bulb moment. Mix them together. Add a squeeze of lime, serve it in a cool copper mug, and boom! The Moscow Mule was born. This accidental concoction became a smash hit, proving that even the simplest mistakes can lead to something legendary. So there you have it. 5 incredible cocktails that owe their existence to pure chance. It just goes to show that sometimes, the best things in life are unexpected. Next time you're feeling adventurous, try whipping up one of these accidental masterpieces. Who knows? Maybe you'll even stumble upon your own signature drink. And if you do, make sure to tag me in the comments because you know I'm down to try anything once. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you guys in the next one. Accidents or not, these drinks are proof that great things can come from the unexpected. What's your favorite cocktail with a story? Let us know in the comments below.